I actually really need an adjustment. Super tight from gym this morning.
What did you train? What was the session?
Deadlifts and legs.
Amazing. Alright, let's go for the upper thoracic.
Whoa.
Fantastic.
That was
Alright,
good.
let's go again. Good.
Now, last one, when you breathe out, lift up your head.
There you go.
Fine.
Amazing.
Good. Alright. So, face me this way.
Yep.
Okay. Now, fantastic. Because he's a chiropractor, he knows how to set up already. Deep breath in. And out. Let it go.
Ooh.
Fantastic.
That was amazing.
Side.
That was awesome.
Then we're going to do an AS here. Deep breath in. Good. I'll get back. Let it go. Chin up.
Clean.
Somewhat small like now. Let it go. Chin up more. Amazing.
Awesome.
Ready for a second half?
Yep. Thanks,
go.
Dr. Ahmed.